Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Rochelle. Good evening.
Good evening. Could you please tell us what exactly happened yesterday at Shoprite?
Thank you. The information so far is received from Oshana region is that the situation really got unruly because some striking Shoprite employees, including some NAFAO members and the strike sympathizers, including AR, allegedly increased in number, and so some were even observed instigating the picketers through a megaphone so that they could close down the business. Mm-hmm. They were allegedly marching and demanding the closure of Shoprite. So the fact that there were some members allegedly being transported from other Shoprites from Ondangwa and Ongwediva, the number increased to an extent where the officers who were on duty could no longer control the situation, and therefore they had to request for reinforcement. So the Special Reserve Force, not Special Field Force, but the Special Reserve Force, they were then dispatched in order to control the situation. So allegedly, while they were in the process, some members or the striking employees started throwing stones, and that prompted the officers then to use rubber bullets so as to restore order at that place. Mm-hmm. So that's, in a nutshell, what allegedly happened.
Now, we understand that the company still continues to hire people to do the work of employees on strike, despite the court order not to do so. Are you aware of the situation? And if so, what are you doing to ensure that the company respect the court order?
Rosie, unfortunately, that is not for the police to confirm whether there is any, the hiring continue, because that is really beyond our control. Mm-hmm. We need to understand that the matter is initially a civil dispute between the two parties, and the police was not really joined in these proceedings. The court order interdicted or ordered Shoprite not to hire. And our role as a police force is strictly to maintain law and order, prevent crime, and protect life and properties at the different Shoprite Namibia and affiliated stores. Mm-hmm. So that is strictly our mandate. If there is perhaps another court order that orders us to operate otherwise, then that is definitely what we're going to do.
Any final words from your side?
Roger, this event could have been avoided. Mm-hmm. If only the Shoprite workers, the sympathizers abided by being peaceful. NAFAO was given the go-ahead to go on a demonstration for one day only, which was the 14th. But this incident occurred on the 15th, and already that is unprocedural. They were not supposed to have been marched because there was no permission granted for the 15th. So it could have been avoided. So we are encouraging the Namibian people, please remain peaceful and follow the lawful procedures, especially when we are expressing our grievances. Peace should also be maintained.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to join us.
Thank you, Rochelle.
That was Deputy Commissioner Shikwambi from the Namibian Police.